Andarki praise the Lord. My name is R. Isika Paul. Jesus loved me with everlasting love. Jesus loved me with everlasting love, more than my mother ever gave me, more than world ever gave for me. Jesus, my Lord, I'll never forsake you. Jesus, my Lord, I'll never forsake you. I will love and live with you. Lord, I will be your true witness, to do your will, to be like you, to do your will, to be like you. Come with me on your marvelous heights. My word says, in my love. Jesus, save me from many crises. Jesus, save me from many crises, and set my feet on the rock. And He gave me a new holy song.